It's just us.
What is your name?
Kendra after 6.
Kendra.
/ Kinley Danger. It ain't Danger.
What is your name?
Chloe.
Chloe what?
Star.
No.
I'm doing my name.
Yeah.
Chloe the Carver.
What's your name?
Rachel the Ripper.
Rachel the Ripper.
Rachel the Reaper.
Okay, we're missing one of our compatriots.
Well, our soldier
Uh-huh.
is hace frío. Poor
Oh,
Horn.
are we having any fun today, Kidney Danger?
This might be the worst snow day of my life. Just saying.
Here comes Kimchi! Second place, Holland. Third place, Chloe. Last but not least, Rachel. And that is how they do it. Here goes Rippers. There's Chloe. There's Nico. We don't stop for no one. Hey.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Rachel the Ripper?
Rachel the Ripper.
Oh, wait. Dang it.
Chloe the Carver.
Ooh,
Chloe
yeah.
the Carver. And Kinley Danger.
Yeah, that's it.
Kinley Danger. Okay, babes.
What's your...
Rip it! Kids, that rip! Here comes Rachel. Oh, kids, that rip. Give it a little turn, bounce it out. Here comes Kinley Danger. Last but not least, Chloe the Carver. Oh.